Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math related question here. So let's solve it together. 2 times y plus 2 plus b times y minus 4 is equal to 3b times y minus 20. In the equation above, b is a constant. What is the value of b if there is no value that satisfies the equation? So in this question, we will need to just distribute these numbers into the parentheses. But what we are looking for, let me tell you, we will have same amount of y's on the both sides of the equation so that they can go ahead and eliminate each other so that you won't have any y to solve with. That's why let's do this together. Then I will show you. This is going to be a little bit longer way, but 2y plus 2 times 2 is 4 plus by minus 4b is equal to 3by minus 60b. But we are dealing with the terms only has y in it. 2y here, I will just underline them. by and the 3by on the right side. Let's make them equal. As I said, we will need to get to these. So 2y plus by is equal to 3by. On the left side, we can get the y in parentheses. Or you can just get, rid of by as well, but I will just do the traditional way. 2 plus b is equal to 3by. We can go ahead and divide both sides by y. That's going to give us 2 plus b is equal to 3b. I will take away b from both sides. This is going to lead us to equals 2b. Then 1b, we're looking for b is equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1. So the right choice for this specific question is choice A. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. See you next time. Bye-bye.